In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text with Grok AI. If you've ever needed a quick, reliable translation without jumping through hoops, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it using Grok AI in just a few simple moves. First, open Grok AI. You can visit the official website in your browser or launch the Grok AI app on your device. Make sure you're using the legitimate source so you have the latest features and security updates. By the way, to make this even easier, I've placed the official website link and the app download link if you prefer mobile, right at the top of the description. Feel free to pause and grab those before you continue. Once Grok AI loads, open the chat interface. You should see a chat window or a button to start a new conversation. This is where all the interaction happens, and it's designed to be straightforward, so you can focus on your text rather than hunting through menus. Next, enter the text you want to translate. You can type it directly or paste it from another document. If your text contains special characters or formatting, consider pasting it as plain text to avoid unexpected symbols. For longer passages, you can paste them in sections so it's easier to review. Now, ask Grok to translate. Just submit a clear prompt like, "Translate this text to Spanish," or "Convert this paragraph into French." If you have preferences, be specific. For example, you can mention a dialect or ask for formal or casual tone. You can also ask to preserve line breaks or headings if formatting matters to you. Grok AI will generate the translated text. Take a moment to review it carefully. Check that names, dates, measurements, and technical terms are correct and make sense in context. If the text has domain-specific vocabulary, like legal or medical language, confirm that the meaning comes through accurately rather than word for word. If you want to refine it, simply follow up in the same chat. You might say, "Make the tone more professional," "Simplify the language for a general audience," or "Translate the next section, keeping the same style." You can also ask for alternative phrasings if a sentence feels awkward. Iterating like this is often the fastest way to reach a polished translation that fits your exact needs. That's how you can quickly translate languages using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.